flown across the world to come to AMWC Asia in the beautiful city of Taipei. It's my first time in Taiwan and my first time attending this conference, and I will be presenting on demographics and how treating alternative demographics can grow your business. I am really looking forward to meeting everybody and hearing the unique and refreshing and innovative views of the Asian community when it comes to regenerative aesthetics. I really advise anyone from Europe, this is absolutely worth traveling to because you get so many insights and there's so much to learn. Please join us in May for AMWC Asia in Taipei. I hope to see you there.